Hey guys, we're back with a brand new video, and today what we're going to play is some GD. Oh, my face cam went away again. Well, what level? Okay. Wait, I beat level 2. Alright, we're going to play some GD. iPad mode, actually, to be honest with you.
Oh! What you sound like? Gavin, that's way too loud. Yeah, Gavin. Oh my gosh. No, she said boy.
It's so hard to trust me.
Oh, nobody actually watches you.
You don't know that? I almost have 300 subscribers. It's not like I'm Dan TDM or something.
Well, that's sad.
Oh, it's the glimpse now.
Okay, what if you play? Oh, that's
Well, at least I'm better than you.
Full metal jacket, fancy clearing.
Oh boy, baby, that's a tall
Oh, there
freak.
you go. Oh, I forgot.
I didn't.
These guys.
Oh, come on.
Oh no. You can do it. He's sending in his max force.
Dang it, dude. Oh, wait, best record 26. That's embarrassing.
Come on, Bobby, you can do it. I'm saying I want to him.
Why am I the only person?
Go, Bobbies.
Oh,
Dang it, dude. Go, Trick. Trick them.
how long does it take to work?
What, your face?
Oh, man. I thought you were stupid.
No.
Stupid. Yeah, play smart, Gavin.
What? How? See that, guys? Play that back. Did you see me? Did you see me go through that object?
No,
what
man,
should I
I'm just
play?
awesome.
I'm gonna play some Minecraft. But Minecraft sucks without music. I'm going to get some Pandora.
China. Yeah. China.
Pandora. Oops.
Thank you so much.
Celebrate love. Oops. I accidentally. Oops. Pandora. Yeah, it just popped up Pandora.
No.
What song should I play? Now play. Let's see. What song is this? Oh, Fast and Furious 7. Okay.
Yay, I got to go in. Quick one.
Oh, frick. That sucks.
Do I have it yet? What?
Pandora.
Yeah, I don't think I have it. This would be. Wait, just look. Let's go. Hey.
Yay, my face cam got back. Please do with me getting a picture. With a days hard work on the page. Yay, my face cam's back.
Snacks here, Bobby.
Are you serious?
Look at my door.
Are you seriously doing a YouTube video?
You can see it right now.
Oh, I love it.
Round name. 180 days, 10 planets.
Are you doing a YouTube video?
I can do that.
On my
For $46.99. That is create for free. Are you serious? Yay, create for free.
What are you making?
Create for free.
What are you making?
What are you making? What do you mean? What am I making?
What are you doing?
Minecraft.
Minecraft video?
It said I have to pay $46.99. Okay, that's a good deal. Wait, no, it's not. My parents wouldn't be accepting.
What do you think?
Talk about that thing with family is all we got.
Bobby,
By my side.
All that crap.
That's right.
This is a big game. Oh, I'm wrecking the game. Continue.
You got a Kindle charger? Daddy, you got a Kindle charger? Oh, no.
Wait, but I can't play it. Anthony, what are you doing?
Playing Minecraft, as you can see. Definitely not recording a YouTube video.
But you definitely can Where's my money?
That's a burning block. Nope. Well, at least I picked a song that doesn't have any bad words in it. Because I barely know any songs anyways. R.I.P.
Where's the brick? Never speaking this again.
Wait, now what song's going to pop up in here?
Oh, wow.
I bet this has bad words. Let me see. I have no idea what song this is. This is... I love this song! No, this is Eminem. He cusses a lot.
But I heard this song before. It's a good crap.
What?
I heard that song before. I was on in the theater.
No, this is inappropriate.
Yeah, I heard what you said, so we're not going to listen to that.
Are you serious? I don't want this.
Why are you recording yourself? For him, he's making
Our songer comes from Bruno Mars.
Dude, you're not allowed to watch YouTube, much less make it.
He's not. I'm not watching YouTube.
He's doing a YouTube video.
Yeah, I know.
Bruno Mars. Wait. I would.
Yeah.
I would catch a grenade.
What's he playing?
What?
Trying to play Fortnite.
Wait, I want to see this. No, not that's what I like.
You're not allowed to play
Bruno Mars, when I was your man, it will rain. What I like. That's what I like. That's when I was your man. Wait, let me see what this is about.
You could set him a sprinkle. No, I mean...
Is this seriously Bruno Mars? This is not Bruno Mars.
No. What should I do? Gotta read that.
This song sucks. Alright, I'm about to be done with the perimeter.
What's a perimeter?
Okay, you don't know what a perimeter is? So a perimeter is the outside of something. The area is an inside of something. Why do I keep
still want some China?
Gosh.
Wait, how do I go over here, Bubs? I don't know how to go.
I'm going to stop this video at...
You're doing temple.
I'm going to stop this video at 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
No, it's been 10 minutes.
Superman. No. That guy and
I'm going to download a mod
that
after
guy and what's supposed to do for my third
Alright guys, I'm done with the perimeter. So if you want to see the roof in the area, check out the next video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.